The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good morning, fellas. Good Thursday morning, guys. Today is Thursday, September 15th. Very good morning. Guys, we have some news today. So you may want to turn your bots off. I don't care about continuing an initial jobless claims, but we do have September Empire Manufacturing. We also have retail sales. Good morning, Nick, Albert, Claudia. Guys, I didn't catch everybody as they scrolled in so fast, but good morning, Deepak, good morning. If you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome back to day 4. Today will be the last day that I send a follow-up email. By now, you all know what we're about and what the pricing is for membership. Coming into the session, the bots are currently down $850. First day we've come in with the bots down, so we'll see if we can work our way out of this. But we're down $850. I'm sure the bots will. We had a losing trade in crude oil here, which is most of that loss. We also had a small loss or a loss. We had a nice win in NASDAQ here, and then a losing long here, and then another 2-target win here. So all in all, we're down $850. I will turn my bots off, at least ES and NASDAQ. Your NASDAQ is up $1,000. What time did you turn it on? If it weren't for crude, crude was $1,200. No, I still wouldn't. I'd be up about $400. Although, I don't know. Yeah, and there's, well, no, I can't blame it on that. We got a nice win in natural gas here, and then a losing natural gas trade there. So I can't blame it on natural gas. Most of that loss is crude. The bots would be up, but again, it's early. Oh, okay, you turned it off, up 1,000. Got it. Guys, let me quickly read the disclaimer. I may be interrupted. I'm waiting on a phone call, but I'll read the disclaimer. I got to go find it now. Sorry, fellas. And we'll go over charts ahead of the news. I'll show you the ES. I'll show you all the charts. Here we go. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. I want to address one thing. I got an email from some clown yesterday, a response to my daily email. This that I read here, guys, this is required by Ninja. Now, I am not part of the Ninja Trader ecosystem, but Ninja Trader requires that everybody show that and or read it, right? It's actually not required that I read the disclaimers, but I do every day. Okay. 2, I do trade a live account. That's why I give the last section, which is past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts, and please trade according to your tolerance for risk. Again, I read this disclaimer. I'm not required to read it. I could just put it up. But this is the US government required disclaimer. This is the CFTC required disclaimer. And this is the Ninja ecosystem required disclaimer. Okay? I'm thinking on the open, depends on where we're at with ES. But I'm looking at 39.10 SPX puts. I would probably buy them for tomorrow. If we break below 39.25, we get blown up. If natural gas comes down below 534, you have a target at 436. Natural gas. Below 534, this could come back to 436. Natural gas is a short. ES bounced off that trend line. No place for long for me. 476. Okay. Grazie. Oh, yeah, we have inventories today. Thank you. Thank you. This 50 area is big. It's got to break down through 50. It comes 34. This could bounce back up to 84. There are sellers in here, small, 14. I forgot today was Thursday. Ordinarily, I wouldn't run the bot. All right, guys, 1 minute to the data. Just waiting on data. Long, long. We're trying to go long, so hang on, guys. Don't short it. Jobless claims missed. Hang on, fellas. Hang on. You couldn't trade this if you wanted to. Big miss on Philly Fed. There you go. Come on, get through 62. Got first target on the ES and NQ bots. Come on, break that little swing at 62. Your first target is 64. Okay, Greg. Target 2 hit on the NASDAQ bot. Come on, 64. Let's go, big guy. I'll take some risk off at 64. Okay, out on both, but the bots are now green. Remember, we came in down. What the hell is that move? Yeah, ES needs to get above on the hourlies. If we can get above 68, this thing goes 75, 85. Guys, listen, here's the overarching picture, okay? Come on, baby. 150 seller on the ES scared him. Come on. Come on. It's like trying to get my dogs to go outside. Look at one of the things, and you guys that are in the current order flow class will learn, those of you that have taken the class, you see how VWAP is getting stepped down. It's getting pulled lower. Okay. It's essentially pulling overhead resistance down. We are setting up to go up. Now, it doesn't mean that we can't get a retest of this 57, but we got a sequential decline, which we talked about. You guys know. You got a 5-tick sequential decline, but it's pre-market. ES gets above 60, 65 half. It should be good. You should get your first target at 64. Big news just came across. LeBron James is not happy with the NBA. There's a who gives a crap. Gold. Oh, I can't stand him. I haven't watched an NBA game. I think the last one I saw, I went to an Atlanta Hawks game 7 years ago. There it is. Oh, 1 tick. I can't watch NBA. I'll watch college, but I can't watch NBA. Yeah, gold is long. Gold is long. First target is 1701. Yeah, he is a whining billionaire. He's a pain in the ass. You know, because I'm older, shut up and play. Just do your job. No one cares what your political viewpoints are. No one cares. Just play. You're paid to play. Gold is long to 01. You guys will notice we keep getting sequential declines. That's what these numbers are in parentheses, 3 and 4. We're running out of buyers at the top of the candle. So in this case, we had 3-tick sequential decline, 285, 198, 61. Here we had 4, 282, 269, 103, 61. This is just pre-market Gold is going to 1,701 and then potentially higher. If you're long gold, your first target is 01. I've shut off my natural gas bot, guys. Today is inventory. I don't run them on inventory days. Copper also has a bid. Copper has a bid. And crude maybe above 87.18 for a long to 87.45. That's target 1. We need to work through VWAP. Once above VWAP, you can target 70.71. Okay? She should go. Everybody good on target 1? Gold, ES. Everybody good? Copper is also breaking up. Okay, guys, nice job. GC again. Well, 1701. Let me go to back to that gold chart. 1701. Here, I'll show you. It's easier to show you. Look at the 10-minute chart. This is 10-minute, right? We bid up into the top of the 10-minute cloud. So gold has, that was your target 1. So gold has resistance here. That was target 1. And then next target up would be 03, but it's on a break above 01 half. Right? We don't really, this could drop right back down to the bottom of this 10-minute. Now again, depends on the time frame you're trading it on. I'm looking at small time frames. Hourlies are long. If hourlies get above 022, you could see 09 to 14 today. But this 10-minute is what I'm watching for an entry. I'm not entering on an hourly chart. Got it? So if gold were to take out that swing there at 024, that would be another entry, 024. So if this goes, you trade it up to about 04 half, right? And then potentially, so the 95 on top has lowered moderately. It's pulling overhead resistance slightly lower. If we get a blowout, we go back to this 08, right? I said 09. So give or take 08, 09. But the next entry is this swing here, 024 on gold. There's my favorite crackhead. She going. Told you it's longs. Anybody holding ES still? Anybody holding ES? Next target up. So you're going to okay, Marcia. So, all right, guys, good. Bunch of you. So you're going to have a whole ton of resistance between the point of control and the 68 area of daily distribution on top. Right? So you're going to want to trade this maybe to 70. No bot trades. You may bounce back to 140. I'm watching ES, guys, down here at this 40 level. There's a big bid at 40. $256 cars to buy. Delta's increasing 1954 on the NASDAQ. Come on, pop up to 40. 40 to 43, and I'd blast it. My chart is frozen there. Every day it's one, and I did a reset database yesterday. All right, guys, resistance on the ES is now 50. I'd sell 50. I can't even move my order flow. I can see it, but I can't move it. Come on, get up there. Look where NASDAQ came. Right to my line and held. So far, I don't think this holds. Forget ES. NASDAQ should sell down to 12,095 is where we're headed. ES is headed down to 37, I would think. 35 to 37 again. Guys, 400 buyers stepped in. I can't adjust the dang chart, so. We could get to 56. There was the 50 on the ES. There's your short on the ES. 50 was your short. First target is going to be 47. Come on, let's go, yes. 47. It's 48 half, 48. Come on, there it is. 47 target hit and filled. 47 target hit and filled. We got the 50 short. Now it's a free trade. Free trade, fellas. Stop is break even. NASDAQ's rolling over as well. NASDAQ's going to fade. You got 6 handles in it. We've got a NASDAQ bot short. Come on, yes, let's go get 40. Stop is break even on ES. Trade the runners as you see fit. Okay, out. Still can't get through 50, guys. Still can't adjust that NASDAQ chart on the screen. Trying to push through 50. I'll tell you, Ninja is just, I can't even get, there it is. Can I get rid of this? I will only take an ES trade long if we get above 60. Still can't adjust this chart. No, I'm not long ES yet. No. Okay. So annoying. I cannot move this chart, and I've never had a problem with my order flow. ES is long on the bot. You can take this long in the ES. Come on. Come on, ES. Let's go. Get above 60. I'm long ES, guys, 56 half. I'm long 56 half ES. You can get a better fill if you like it. But if this, and I'll be out momentarily, guys. We're trading right up into, we got to get a, come on, got to get above 57 and she can rip. Here we go. Come on. Come on, go get that first target. 57 is what it's got to get above. 57. And we can rip. Come on, 57. Come on, we're consolidating here, sitting here. Come on, push. 57. Rip them up. Next 10-minute bar is 6 minutes away. NASDAQ is stuck. ES has to get above 57, 58. New candle here on the 3-minute. Come on, baby. Here we go. Come on. Come back. Come on, push. Get above VWAP and rip it. Come on. Give me that first target. Looks like it hit it to the tick and didn't fill it. I'm out, fellas. I'm out. I'm flat. This could pull back to 48. 52 is minor support. If this comes back up through, I'll hit it again. Yeah, I'm not giving it to 43, dude. If my charts haven't unfrozen at 10 o'clock, I'm going to log out of Ninja and back in. All right, I'm going to try this again at 56.5. There we go. We know where we're sticking. 57, 58. If it gets through 58, this is going to go on a pretty quick tear. Maybe 59. You fuckwad. Come on, break up. Let's go. I'm done with the ES, guys. That's it for me for the day. Till we get above 60 again. Okay, I'm flat again. I'm done with the ES, guys. For now. Out on the ES. I'm done with the ES until this thing can get above 60. Guys, give me one. 200 is a critical level again. Okay, here's the pullback. Come on, give me 78 on the pullback. $78, $79. I think we bounce. If we don't bounce here, I'm going to take a long off VWAP, guys. I'm long NASDAQ. We get above 99, we're going to go. Come on. I'm long right here at 92 on this bounce. Not doing much. Come on, pop up here. Teach them a lesson. If we can get above 200, this is going to go. Come on. Come on. Got to get above 98 and this can go, it goes nicely. I'm long 92, guys. I'm long 92. Here we go. Here I am. Long 92. It's not, it can't get above, Come on. Stay above 200. Let's go. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Here we go. Here comes. You got 10 handles in it, guys. Target number 1 is 13 from 92. 13. Nice job, Joseph. Daily goal in. 13. 13. Let's go. Come on, big fella. Come on, big fella. Here it goes. Here we go. Come on, 13. 92 to 13. 21 handles. Let's go. I said 13, not 10. 13 target, hit and filled. Stop it, break even. If you got runners, hold them, baby. Hold them. Here we go. I'm out 1. I got 1. 259, final target. 259. 259. 259 from 92. I'm here all week, fellas. Here all week. 259. $53 is yesterday's high. 259 is what I'm targeting for final. Trade them as you see fit on the runners, guys. Everybody, unless you flinched, everybody should have a day. A day. Come on. Come on, baby. Thank you, Kenny. Appreciate it, fellas. Come on. Thank you, Chris. You got your 75 target on the ES as well. Nice job, fellas. All right. Stop should always be at target 1 now. So 13 stop. 2 more counts funded today. Nice job, Hubert. Thank you, Randy. You're welcome, Fernando. Up over $4,000, freezing charts and all. Nice job, Tommy. You're welcome, guys. Is everybody good? You're welcome, Jonathan. You guys are good. Welcome, fellas. Everybody take the trade? Okay. How about this? Anybody pass on the trade? Long as we hold 200. There are people that do, Kenny. This is where we should hold 200. That's an important zone now. That's the zone we want to hold. Other thing is with these funded accounts, regardless, Chrissy, of who you use, Apex, Top Step, Trader, 1UP, Lilu, yada, yada, yada. They all have inherent trapdoors. They're not really looking for traders per se. I keep using my friend Greg as an example. Greg is probably the best trader I know, and he has been for many years. Greg and I have known each other for 10 years. Greg could draw a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,000 on a trade. He trades size. And if he makes 10,000 at the end of the day, he doesn't care if he took $8,000 in heat. The funded trader platforms are not looking for swing traders or traders that are looking for bigger moves. They're looking for people that can generate trades like what we just did, right? $200-300 a day and done. And one of the, there we go. We're bouncing above 2,000 again, guys. That's our line in the sand, basically. 02 is your long entry. We just got to pop this pivot. So if you're going to trade in the funded accounts, your goal has to be, there you go, above 202. Your goal has to be to scalp and learn to shut it down. And the example I always give is if you were to go to Las Vegas or Atlantic City and sit down at a card table playing blackjack, and in the first hour you're up $1,000, they don't care. If you're up $2,000 in 2 hours, they don't care. The goal is for them to keep you at the table because they know in hour 3 or 4 or 5, you're giving back everything you've made plus whatever's in your pocket. They know that. Statistically proven for decades. Trading is the same way. The first 30 minutes to 45 minutes, that's when the easy money is made. Then it gets a little trickier. The key is with the funded accounts, you have to be willing to say, all right, today I made $200. I'd like to make 500, but I made 200. I'm going to shut it down and come back tomorrow and hit it again. If you keep trading those funded accounts, especially with Apex that has that bastardized trailing draw, it will kill you. So for instance, if you took my trade at 92 and got out here at 34, you're a freaking hero. But if you took that trade at 92, it went to 34, and you came out at 13 on the runner, they're going to penalize you for the money you did not make but could have made. It's really stupid. It's arguably the dumbest thing on the planet. But it's their trapdoor, and they all have them. Their goal is really not to fund anybody. I don't care what they say. I would argue with them and debate that. Yeah, you could use a static account, yes. Now, there's another one out there that my brother has told me about, which I've never really looked at. Blue Ox, Blue Onyx, Blue something. Blue Knot, thank you. They have a trailing draw during the day, which I think is $1,000. But they only go by end of day. So if you lose $1,000 at the end of the day, or you're down $1,000 in 10 minutes, you cannot trade anymore today. But they don't wash you out. Blue Knox, N-O-X. They don't wash you out. You can still come back tomorrow and you get another grand, and if you lose that, you're done. But if you're down $999 and you catch a ripper and you're now up $600, as far as they're concerned, you made $600. Blue Knox. Yes, that's it, Blue Knox. Guys, this 200 level on the NASDAQ is the key. 200 level on NASDAQ is the key. We've got to maintain 200. We're not getting any help from the ES. We're consolidating on the NASDAQ here. We could pull back to 78. We're holding VWAP still. But 78, I think, is where no, they're selling them again. Where'd we come? 81, not quite 78. There's NASDAQ is still trying to get over, yes, Blue Knox, BLUENOX, right? Is that it? I don't know. I'll show you guys at the end. I'll find it. Yes, they do. They penalize you for what you could have made. Hang on, guys. Got to get, guys, you got a long here above VWAP. Maybe, again, 02. There you go, 02. We've got to take out 10. So that 02 long, your first target, let's call it 16. And we're still jacking around. Come on, NASDAQ, let's go. Yeah, obviously the goal is to get funded. There we go. Come on. Target one is 16. Target one is 16. Pushing a little bit of noise here at 7, 8, but it should go. On a 2-minute chart, it's nothing. 16 is target one from 02. Come on, right back. Let's go. Got to get through 10 quarter. We're just pushing a little bit of noise on a 2-minute chart. Nothing. Crude. Let's see here. This trade's going to go, guys, in a minute. In 1 minute, this trade will pop. 1 minute. It's going to pop in 1 minute if you're long. Here it goes. It's going to pop, guys. 16 is target one. 16, target one from 02. Another 14 handles. Let's go, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. I need 28 seconds and this will go. Come on. I've got buyers, guys. Much like yesterday, we keep bouncing off the VWAP area. Yeah, Buell Knox, B-U-L-E. Boo Lennox, whatever. Come on, NASDAQ. You're free to go now. I don't like the shorts. So don't get goofy on shorts. We're getting no help from ES. Thank you, Sally. Blue Knox, fellas. Blue, B-L-U-E, Knox, N-O-X, one word. 16 is target one. Very slow developing trade, but 16 is target one from 02. $15 quarter. Really? 15 quarter. 3 ticks shy? Seriously? Hang in there, fellas. It's going to get you 16. Hang in there. Come on. Hang in there, guys. Come on. Oh, seriously? 2 ticks shy now? Gave me 1 more tick. $15.5. Give me 16. Come on. Come on, buy them up. Come on. There it is. 16 target hit and filled. God, that was torture. Next target up is 27. Stop should be at break even, right? Always break even on target one. especially in this sloppy price action. Right back down to entry. Everybody good? 14 handles, $280. We'll take it. Free money, free money, free money. Copper's getting a bid. Nothing in crude. Silver. Gold, nothing. Soybeans, strong bid in soybeans. And gasoline is turning north. RB if you trade it, as is crude. As is crude. Crude and RB going north. Crude, it's got to get 86.37, 86.30 entry. 86.30 entry on crude with target 1 at 48. It's not much. 18 ticks. NASDAQ looks like she just wants to keep grinding higher. I still have a 256 to 59 target on the NASDAQ. 256 to 59. Notice how we can keep buying 200. I mean, that's... Yeah, I don't usually pay attention to natural gas inventories, Robert. Or it's like crude inventories. I generally don't trade them on inventory days. All right, back down. Guys, it's just I'm still looking to be long. The only way I can be short is below 170. Watch for a short. $170 is where I'd be short. Other than that, it's just a continuation, bounce after bounce, similar to yesterday. ES is failing 75 and looks like it may pull back into that 60. You can short below 81. I don't like it, but it's pulling into support. I'm actually going to try a long. I'm waiting for the long. This is your short here below 170. There it is, below 170. $171. First target would be 58.50. Uh-oh. Now we head down to 36. I don't hear any news, fellas. I hear no news. We're still coming down. If we break below 12,080, this gets completely annihilated. All right, what time is it? 10:23. Opening range low, guys, is 109. So let me mark that. NASDAQ could drop down to 121. $200 again, resistance. Okay. $600 runner. 122. I'm looking for 121. 121. 121. Okay, there's 121 and still going. I'm still holding a runner. Up $800 on the runner. That was my target, 121. We got support here though. Buyer here, 117, 118 buyer here. I'd like, if we hit the low of the day, we're going to skid the snot out of this pig. Anybody short 160? I'm hoping for a blow of the low. Anybody short? Guys? Okay. I don't like that 95 dropped. They really need to sell the shoot out of this here. Yeah. Present. All right, I'm out. I'm flat. I'm flat. This may still blow, but listen, this may still blow. Yeah, here it goes. But there's the opening range low, right? 110 quarter. 109, 110 quarter is the opening range low. This is going to want to bounce at this area, guys. Unless the seller, well, the sellers are stacking now pretty hard. Here we go. Here we go. Uh-oh. Yesterday's low, 12,080. Double bottom here with one seller on the bottom. This could bounce. This is trying to set up for a ricochet. We're pulling everything lower. We could trade into 12,080, but if we bounce back above this 95, we're going to get a strong, there it is. See it? We're going to get a bounce. If this could bounce back 140 in a hurry. So if you're short, Just pay attention to that. I'm flat. I got my 121 target, guys. I got the target I wanted. Everybody good? This could go 140. So if we shorted 160, I'm good with, 40 handles. Any questions? Yeah, ES. I'll be fishing tomorrow. Nice job, Fernando. Nice job, buddy. Up 852. Fellas, is there anybody at 10:33 a.m. that is not making money? Is there anyone? Yeah, I saw that guy. He had a great rookie season. He got hurt last year. He's not a damn kickoff specialist. Sanchez is out for the year. It's kind of unfair to hold that against him. That's not what he does. You're welcome, Ozzy. I like how, which was just relayed to me by one of my members. And this is the message. Hey, Bob, I received this message from a guy that I'm trying to get into your room. So one of my members has a friend he wants to get into the room. There's a guy in your room. I will not say a name. He uses Bob's room to run his own service. You know who the fuck you are. Shady bastard. He's using Bob's calls and passes them off as his own. I used to be in his paid service a long time ago. Then I found out he's using Bob's call outs to give to his members. Not sure if you're aware. Thank you for that, buddy. You know who you are, and I'm going to throttle you after the room. Yeah, it's not the first time, Hubba. Won't be the last time that. I don't know what ICT is. No. Yeah, if he's cheaper than me, then you should join his room because then you get my trades vis-a-vis his room. I hope your ass is puckered right now, and you know who you are. I'm going to throttle you, just so you know. I'm going to throttle you. I will not say your name in this room. The bots finished down today 1,040 on the day. 1,040. Here comes the